Glock pistols have become synonymous with reliability, durability, and widespread adoption. Engineered with a polymer frame and featuring a striker-fired system, Glock handguns offer consistent performance and ease of use. Known for their high-capacity magazines, ergonomic design, and consistent trigger pull, they are trusted by law enforcement, military personnel, and civilians worldwide. Number 10. Glock 45 MOS, the ultimate tactical handgun for professional shooters and enthusiasts alike, combining the proven reliability of Glock with the versatility of a modular optic system. The Glock 45 MOS is a game changer. Its 17-round capacity offers ample firepower, while the Glock Safe Actioner system ensures a consistent and reliable trigger pull. The MOS, modular optic system, allows for easy mounting of popular red dot sights, enhancing accuracy and target acquisition. With its ergonomic grip and interchangeable backstraps, the Glock 45 MOS provides a comfortable and customizable shooting experience. Whether for duty use or competition shooting, this pistol is ready to perform at the highest level. Embrace the future of handgun optics with the Glock 45 MOS, where precision meets versatility. Number 9. Durability of Glock. Built to withstand the harshest conditions, Glock pistols are renowned for their ruggedness and reliability. The use of advanced polymer frames combined with high-quality steel components creates a firearm that is resistant to corrosion, impact, and extreme temperatures. Glock's innovative design and strict quality control ensure that each pistol can handle thousands of rounds without compromising performance. Whether it's for duty use, self-defense, or recreational shooting, Glock pistols are built to last. From law enforcement agencies to civilian shooters, Glock has earned a reputation for its unwavering reliability and longevity. Trust in the durability of Glock and experience a firearm that is ready to stand up to any challenge. Number 8. Glock 19X, a versatile and reliable handgun that combines the best features of Glock's compact and full-size pistols. Designed for military and law enforcement use, the Glock 19X offers optimal performance and comfort. Its 17-round capacity provides ample firepower, while the compact slide and full-size frame strike the perfect balance between concealability and shootability. The Glock 19X features Glock's renowned Safe Actioner system, ensuring a consistent and reliable trigger pull. Its durable polymer frame and corrosion-resistant slide make it ready for any environment. With its reversible magazine catch and ambidextrous slide-stop lever, this pistol caters to both left and right-handed shooters. The Glock 19X is a reliable and versatile handgun, ideal for duty use or as a trusted companion for personal defense. Number 7. Glock 30th, a celebration of 3 decades of Glock's innovation and excellence. This limited edition pistol pays homage to the iconic Glock design that revolutionized the firearm industry. The Glock 30th features a commemorative engraved slide and frame, showcasing its distinguished heritage. With its compact size and powerful 45 HCP chambering, this pistol offers a perfect balance of concealability and stopping power. The 30th anniversary edition retains Glock's signature reliability and durability, making it a reliable companion in any situation. Whether you're a collector or a Glock enthusiast, the Glock 30th Anniversary Edition is a must-have, showcasing the legacy and commitment to excellence that Glock represents. Celebrate 30 years of Glock's groundbreaking success with this exceptional limited edition pistol. Number 6. Glock 43, the ultimate concealed carry pistol that combines compactness with firepower. Designed for everyday carry, the Glock 43 is chambered in 9mm and offers a perfect balance of size and performance. With its slim profile and single-stack magazine holding 6 rounds, this pistol is easy to conceal and comfortable to carry. The Glock 43 features Glock's Safe Actioner system, ensuring a consistent trigger pull and optimal safety. Its durable polymer frame and corrosion-resistant slide make it a reliable companion in any environment. The Glock 43 provides unmatched reliability and simplicity, making it the go-to choice for those seeking a dependable concealed carry firearm. Trust in the reliability and reputation of Glock with the Glock 43, the perfect solution for discreet and effective self-defense. Number 5. Glock 45, a versatile and reliable pistol designed for duty use and personal defense. The Glock 45 combines the compact slide of the Glock 19 with the full-size frame of the Glock 17, creating a firearm that excels in both concealability and shootability. Chambered in 9mm, it offers a 17 plus 1 round capacity, providing ample firepower. The Glock 45 features Glock's renowned Safe Actioner system, ensuring a consistent and reliable trigger pull. Its durable polymer frame and corrosion-resistant slide make it ready for any environment. With its interchangeable backstraps and ambidextrous slide stop lever, this pistol caters to individual preferences and shooter needs. The Glock 45 is the ultimate choice for those seeking a versatile, reliable, and accurate handgun for duty or personal defense. Number 4. Glock GEN5, the latest evolution of the iconic Glock pistol series. Building upon the proven reliability and functionality of its predecessors, the Gen 5 introduces a range of enhancements for an improved shooting experience. With its flared magwell and ambidextrous slide stop, reloads are faster and more efficient. The Glock Gen 5 features an upgraded marksman barrel for increased accuracy, and the addition of an improved trigger with a crisper break. The Gen 5 also incorporates an enlarged and reversible magazine catch, providing better ergonomics for shooters of all hand sizes. With its durable construction and legendary Glock reliability, the Gen 5 is the culmination of years of refinement. Elevate your shooting performance with the Glock Gen 5, the next generation of excellence in the world of handguns. Number 3. Glock G41, a powerhouse of a handgun designed for maximum performance and accuracy. The Glock G41 features an extended slide and barrel, providing a longer sight radius for enhanced precision. Chambered in 45 ACP, it offers powerful stopping power for any self-defense or competition shooting scenario. With its 13 plus 1 round capacity, the G41 ensures ample ammunition for extended shooting sessions. The Glock G41 incorporates Glock's renowned Safe Actioner system, providing a consistent trigger pull and optimal safety. Its durable polymer frame and corrosion-resistant slide make it a reliable companion in any environment. Whether for duty use or competition shooting, the Glock G41 delivers unmatched reliability and accuracy. Experience the power and precision of the Glock G41, where performance meets perfection. Number 2. Glock 17, the legendary pistol that revolutionized the firearm industry. Designed for exceptional reliability, the Glock 17 has become the standard by which all other handguns are measured. Chambered in 9mm, it offers a 17 plus 1 round capacity, providing ample firepower for self-defense or target shooting. The Glock 17 features Glock's Safe Actioner system, ensuring a consistent trigger pull and optimal safety. Its durable polymer frame and corrosion-resistant slide make it a reliable companion in any environment. With its ergonomic grip and intuitive controls, the Glock 17 offers a comfortable and intuitive shooting experience. Trusted by law enforcement agencies and civilians worldwide, the Glock 17 is a testament to Glock's commitment to excellence and innovation. Experience the reliability and performance of the Glock 17, the gold standard in handgun perfection. Number 1. Glock 26 Gen 5, the compact powerhouse that delivers reliability and versatility in a concealed carry package. Built on the proven Glock platform, the Gen 5 enhancements take the Glock 26 to a new level of performance. With its compact size and 10 plus 1 round capacity, this 9mm pistol is perfect for discreet carry while offering ample firepower. The Glock 26 Gen 5 features an improved marksman barrel for enhanced accuracy, as well as an ambidextrous slide stop and reversible magazine catch for improved versatility. Its ergonomic grip, with interchangeable backstraps, ensures a comfortable and secure hold. Built with Glock's renowned reliability and durability, the Glock 26 Gen 5 is the ultimate choice for those seeking a compact, reliable, and accurate handgun for everyday carry.